A bumpy and noisy elevator ride can be pretty unnerving, not to mention disruptive to other building occupants, leaving a lasting negative impression of the quality of a building. That's because no matter how safe an elevator may actually be, riders base their judgments on what they feel and what they hear. Elevator rides get rougher and noisier as an elevator ages. Buildings settle with gravity and time, and high winds and temperature changes can cause an elevator's guide rails to twist and misalign. Even routine repairs, maintenance, or facelifts can create imbalance conditions, impacting rider comfort. Root cause fixes cost labor, money, and downtime, and may still not totally resolve the problem. Fortunately, there is a better solution. ELSCO roller guides can measurably improve ride quality, reducing noise and vibration with minimal cost and downtime. But it's not enough just to provide a smooth ride if it doesn't last. With superior designs, material specs, and state-of-the-art manufacturing techniques, ELSCO guides are built and tested to outlast the competition. With minimal need for repairs or roller replacements, ELSCO guides provide maximum uptime and a lower total cost of ownership over time. That's why many consultants and manufacturers avoid long-term costs and headaches by using ELSCO guides even in new installations. With world-class customer service, industry-leading technical experience, field-deployable service teams, and the fastest delivery times in the business, it's no surprise that ELSCO has been the industry's trusted partner in ride quality for more than 70 years. It's why our guides are making life easy for lift contractors in 6 of the world's 20 tallest buildings, and maybe even the one you took this morning.